What you got? It's in there. Okay, what else is in there? What else is in there? There's more. There's more. She's looking at me like, what? I should be able to get him by now. There's one loose mouse and then two that are inside a paper towel. She's going to get stuck on her head. Oh, she's got it stuck on her head. What? Work it, girl. Work it.
They're in there. What's in your box? What's your box? Get your box. Get your box. What's in there? What's in there? Look. Look, what's in there?
There you go. There you go. All right.
Well, he's in there.
Oh, now you got to get him out of that, huh? Did you get them both? Hey, good girl. Good girl, Rue. Good girl. Oh, such a good girl. Such a good girl.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, that's a spot.